In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search item with photo in Ikea Online 2026. First, open your web browser and go to ikea.com. If you're automatically redirected, choose your country or region so prices and availability match your location. The photo search works best on the latest version of major browsers, so if something looks different, a quick refresh or an update can help. On the Ikea homepage, look for the main search bar. On desktop, it's usually along the top of the page. On mobile, it may sit near the top or be accessible after tapping the search icon. We'll use this search bar for the visual lookup. Inside the search bar, find the small camera icon. On many devices, it appears on the right edge of the search field. On some mobile layouts, you might also see a floating camera button near the bottom right of the screen. Tap or click that camera icon to continue. A prompt will appear with the option to take a new photo or upload one. Choose Take or Upload a photo. If you pick the camera option on your phone or a laptop with a webcam, you may be asked to grant camera permission. Allow it so the tool can capture your picture. If you prefer to upload, select the image from your computer or device. JPEG and PNG images usually work best. For better results, choose a clear, well-lit photo that features the product centered in the frame with as little background clutter as possible. Avoid extreme angles or heavy filters, which can confuse image recognition. Once your image has been added, you'll typically see a quick preview. Some versions of the tool let you adjust the focus area. If a box appears, drag it to highlight the item you want IKEA to identify, then confirm to proceed. Now give the system a moment. It will analyze the photo and compare it to IKEA's catalog. Processing time can vary with your connection speed and image complexity, so a short wait is normal. If it takes too long, try a smaller image or a simpler background. When the results appear, you'll see related items that match or closely resemble what's in your photo. You can open a product to view details, check measurements and materials, and see stock availability. If there are many results, use filters like category, price, or color to narrow things down. If the match isn't quite right, try uploading a sharper picture or zooming in on the product before rerunning the search. That's it. Your photo-powered IKEA search is complete. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.